Hey, what's up? My name's Melinda. I'm a Sephora beauty director, and today I'm joined by Monica from the Sephora squad. Hey, girl.
Hey, boo. How are you?
Good. Thanks for being here. I'm super excited because we're going to be talking about your 6 must-have Sephora 6 products, which is like the gold. This is the information everyone's been looking for.
Okay.
But first, I feel like we got to get to know you. So we have a few rapid-fire questions. You haven't seen them.
Okay, no, I haven't.
We're throwing this at you.
I'm nervous.
But it's going to be fun.
All right, let's do this.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
Gloss or lipstick?
Gloss.
Pizza or burrito?
I'm from New York. Pizza.
Fair enough, fair enough. Holy Grail mascara.
That Benefit Roller Lash Mascara.
That's fire.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh my
I
gosh.
hear you on
Yeah,
that one
yeah.
for sure. Favorite condiment?
Hot sauce. Any type. Love them all.
Latina.
Oh, yeah. Dominicana. Ya tú sabes.
Cubana.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, my dad's a cook, so.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah,
Must be
lots of
nice.
hot sauce
Oh my
growing
gosh,
up.
I love that.
Yeah, except
I'm
I
coming
can't
over.
cook for anything. No, I can't cook. My dad cooks. We can go to his house.
Okay, well, y'all heard it here first, okay? Okay, I'm holding you accountable.
Binge read or binge watch?
I'm a binge watcher.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
I want to be a binge reader, but
We're gonna do better.
this is so good. Okay, perfect. So we'll learn a little few things about you before jumping into this. I just think it's always fun to break the ice that way.
I love that. Yeah, no, I love that. Your turn. I'm kidding.
I'm like,
I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
I see a few things that I love here, so I can't wait to hear what is up first.
Let me put you on real quick, okay? This is the Huda Beauty Glowish Multi-Dew Vegan Skin Tint Foundation. Listen, this shade, this formula is gorgeous, especially if for me, I have texture skin.
Yeah, talk to me about that because so do I.
Oh my gosh, it just makes the skin just look super dewy, super glowy. When you hear dew, we tend to get a little intimidated. Not with this formula. Huda Beauty
It looks
did its thing.
beautiful.
Thank
I
you.
definitely am gonna give that one a try. You sold me.
Yeah, you're not gonna regret it.
All right, what else you got?
Let's get into a little concealer, okay?
Yes, a must.
The Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Concealer. This concealer, I use it for everything. I use it to clean up my brows. I use it as an eye primer. I use it to highlight.
Yes.
I mean, I have, I think, like around 3 of these shades. I think I have chestnut. I also have butterscotch, maple. I like makeup. I love this concealer. But no, it's super good. And especially when you let your concealer cook a little bit.
Yeah.
And it just blends out seamlessly.
This blends so well. Like
Absolutely.
you can let it sit or you can do it right away, and either way, it's just seamless.
It just works.
I find that that's really beginner friendly in general.
Absolutely.
So I feel like what's really cool is that you're actually wearing everything that you're showing us, so I get to see it like live in action as well, which is just selling me even more.
It's a little intimidating. I'm like, oh my gosh, don't look too close.
So tell me about this powder though, because it looks gorgeous on you.
Thank you. Oh my gosh. Huda Beauty, come on. Are you surprised this is here? Seriously? This
No.
is the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder. The shade I have here is Banana Bread.
Okay.
Now, this shade is what I use when I really want that momento, you know, like
Yeah.
the bright under eye, but that seamless, just brightening effect, because sometimes it can get a little tricky with setting powders, especially
You don't want
like,
that flashback.
Oh no, no flashback over here. But something about their like Huda Beauty's setting powders, it just looks so gorgeous.
Smooth.
So
Like,
smooth.
Your under eye is smooth.
Well, thank you.
Yeah.
No, this product right here is literally my holy grail of all setting powders.
I can see why.
Oh, absolutely.
All right, so what else do you have?
Bronzer. Okay.
Yes, let me talk about this warmth.
Okay, look, get into the
beautiful.
skin. Are we looking? We're looking cute?
Yes.
Okay, look, being a morenita, it's really hard for me to find a bronzer that gives me that warmness, but I've always reached for this. This product right here is the product I'm obsessed with. This is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Sun Stalk'r Instant Warmth Bronzer, okay? In Mocha Mami, este color aquí is everything. Just get into this magic.
Oh, it's so pretty.
She's gorgeous. She just, again, remember, I think people get intimidated or they get a little confused. Contour,
Yes.
cool, structure, jaw.
Shade.
Yes, we don't want that. Bronzer, warmth, sun, skin. This is what this is gonna give us.
That healthy glow, right? Like you
Absolutely.
just came back from like a resort on the beach or something like that.
Yes, let's
That's
manifest
so
that.
Riri's vibe in
Yes.
general.
Oh my gosh, we love it. I love it. I love it so much. All right, so I have to put you on to my favorite blush trio.
Yes, please.
We have here the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio, and this is in the shade Berry Adore. There's these gorgeous berry shades that are just universal for all skin
so
types.
pretty.
And there's something about blush that, I don't know if you can agree, but like when you wear blush, by the end of your makeup, where is it? Like, ¿dónde se fue? It runs away.
Yep.
This
I know what you
formula,
mean.
it stays. It gives you like that gorgeous. I'm wearing it now, and I tend to play with all of them all at once, just to give me like whatever. Like I just make a whole concoction of blush, and this colors. These all just look super cute on the
You
skin.
can give little berry kisses on your cheeks.
No,
It's really pretty. It
I
brings
love
you
it.
to life.
Thank you. Yes, especially blush. If you have not used blush by now, hop on the wave. Okay.
It took me too long to figure it out.
Listen,
and
it
I'm
just-
like, wow.
It makes your skin look like healthy, dewy,
Yeah.
like you have yourself together a little bit. You know, we all not, okay? But blush does bring you back to life.
I love that. What else do you have? I know we talked about in the rapid fire questions gloss or lipstick, and you answered gloss, and you are following through. So let's talk about this gloss.
Listen, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, okay? I'm a gloss girl, okay? This
I
is
am
here.
too. I'm
Listen,
here for the gloss.
It's just gloss, just again, dewy, glowy. Like that's the vibe. I feel.
Youthful,
Thank you.
bright,
Blush.
all of these adjectives.
Okay, no, it's just that's what we want. We
It's
want to look
true.
like we're really like flourishing in life. Okay,
Yeah.
so I just want to keep it all consistent. So this here is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Gloss Bomb Heat Universal Lip Luminizer and Plumper in the shade Hot Chocolate, and I'm actually wearing it right now.
It's so pretty.
It's so
And what blew
gorgeous.
my mind is actually that you told me you're not wearing anything underneath. Like this is just the gloss. It
No.
looks gorgeous.
I think she gave what she was supposed to give.
A little touch up?
Yeah. Oh, you know, don't mind if I do. No te preocupes, mi
A
amor.
little touch up? I probably could use some too, but I'll after this.
Okay. Mm-mm.
That's so pretty.
No, it's so
I
comfortable.
have the hot pink one. I need to get a couple more shades.
Get all of them.
Yeah,
okay?
they're really pretty.
Get all of them. You're not gonna be disappointed, and especially with plumpers, they can tend to be a little uncomfortable.
Yeah.
This is super comfortable.
I agree. I
Yeah.
agree from using it. I love it, and it feels hydrating.
Oh, absolutely.
All right, so that is your Sephora 6. Thank you so much. I learned a ton. I'm getting a couple of these for sure. I would love to hear from everyone out there. If any of these are already your favorites, drop them in the comments below. We'll be checking it out. Give us a like to show us some love, and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss more like this from Monica and myself. And we'll see you all next time.
Adios.
Bye.